Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about continuous. So now I will show you the technique. We want to find the value of b to make sure that this function is continuous at s equal to number 10. So in this situation, we put number 10 go in here and number 10 go in here. So the first one, you got about 20 minus 6, and that should be equal to number 14. And the second one, you got about negative 60 plus b. We know that if we want to find the function is continuous at s equal to number 10, the limit on the left and the limit on the right, that should be equals the number. That means the first equation should be equal to the second equation in here. So we will got about number 14, that is the number we just found in here, should be equal to negative 60 plus b. And then we can find the value of b in here. That should be about 14 plus 60, and you got about 74. And this is the final answer we need to find. That's the end. Thank you for watching.